If you run a small business and you've ever clicked "Remind me later" on a software update, well, this is for you. The number one way we see small businesses get hacked is one missed update on one device. That's it. One outdated PC, one old plugin, and suddenly you're dealing with downtime, ransom notes, or data loss. Now here's the fix. Set automatic updates on every device you can. Windows, Macs, phones, security tools, the works. For anything that can't auto-update, put a 5-minute weekly calendar reminder to check for updates. And tell your team, never ignore update prompts. Clicking later is like leaving the back door unlocked. If you're not sure how exposed you are right now, visit our website and schedule a call with us. We'll review how your systems are updating, show you exactly where the gaps are, and give you a simple one-page fix plan for your business. No jargon, no pressure, just clarity on how to close the doors hackers love to use.